2024 के तसलसल में निशान पाकिस्तान सीवी पर शहरियों के लिए आज कराची शो का इन्नकाद किया गया है। मुख्तलिफ ममालिक के सफ़ीर, मंदुबीन और मुबस्सरीन भी शरीक हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, the war-wounded soldiers of Pakistan Army are playing basketball match with wearing artificial limbs.
Now you will witness a classical counter-terrorist operation demo where special operators from Special Service Group Navy.
Ladies and gentlemen, based on the intel received, Dow was operating in Pakistan territorial waters, and two skiffs, which you can see right now, right in front of you, have been off-boarded from the Dow and are embarked. Terrorists along with arms and ammunition are currently heading towards the Seaview beach. Ladies and gentlemen, during this counter-terrorist demonstration, you will be hearing actual communication of various assets participating in the operation. Special Service Group Pakistan Navy have now been tasked to mobilize and undertake this counter-terrorist operation, counter-terrorist teams for their advanced movements, and to neutralize any threat on their own as they deem appropriate.
Base, this is Overwatch. Overwatch is deployed. This is Whiplash. Alhamdulillah, mission accomplished.
Opening their chutes and gliding through the air before coming down to the venue at drop zone right in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, now you can see all free fallers have deployed their parachutes and are now gliding through the air. Fall jumpers under the maroon parachutes will be Pakistan Army free fall jumpers from specialized Shehbaz team. Prestigious flag of Special Service Group Navy is Commander Jazeb Ali Tamgai Basalat. The flag of Pakistan Air Force is Squadron Leader Naveed Ahmed. From Pakistan Air Force are Warrant Officer Fazal Abbas and Chief Technician